These are Q-tip cotton swabs, and this is a 3-pack. You get 625 Q-tips in each one. How cool is that? And these are made of 100% cotton. And they also have so many great uses. You can use it on your newborn to clean all their delicate areas and their umbilical cord. You can also use it to put on makeup or to clean your makeup too. You can also use this as a paintbrush. You can even use it to apply glue with it. Or if you have any cuts and scrapes, you can use it to apply ointment. There are just so many uses for these Q-tips. You can also use these to apply lipstick, and this is also great to clean electronics too. Perfect as a small duster. Also, a little history how Q-tips got their name. Q stands for quality, and tips are the end of the sticks. How cool is that? Something you may have not known. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.